start of 2014, large parts of America were covered in snow. Airlines were grounded, and passengers were often faced with delays or cancellations. There were 1.1 million flight cancellations and delays from December to March. Flight cancellations jumped from 57,000 to 126,000 in 1 year. It's no surprise that weather was the dominant factor. United Airlines led the pack with the cancellation rate at 6.3%. This did not only affect the main line, but also all of the regional jets that serve their passengers. There are many logistical challenges United faces when it has to rebook a flight. United must deal with thousands of customers, flight rerouting, plane storage, and crew flight time limits. United must worry about being too cautious and over-canceling, or not being cautious enough and doing the opposite. Airlines have to navigate complicated decision-making process with imperfect and imprecise data, often leaving the customer unhappy and delayed or desperate and stranded. United was ranked 12th out of the top 15 airline carriers for customer service. They can't change the weather, but they can make better weather decisions. Here's how Spectra sensors can help. Our new technology allows for the real-time measuring and reporting of atmospheric weather conditions. Using our water vapor sensors, airlines can predict weather like never before. Airlines are currently getting their weather data through the Aviation Digital Data Service, which is overseen by NOAA. Currently, the organization sends up weather balloons to collect atmospheric information. There are 70 weather balloons locations in the United States. By the time they transmit the data, it's often stale and miles away. Our new system will revolutionize data collection. Imagine being able to collect real-time data across the entire United States. The sensors are designed to fit comfortably on the outside of the aircraft, and they can operate with a flight ceiling of up to 45,000 feet and in temperatures ranging from -60 to over 50 degrees Celsius. The sensor transmits data every 2.3 seconds and is accurate within plus or 5% of its reading. The sensor is guaranteed to provide accurate and timely and reliable information on atmospheric conditions such as water vapor concentration, pressure, temperature, as well as engineering. The data will flow from the sensor on the airplane down to the ground, to satellites, and to control towers. That data will then get transmitted amongst different government agencies, other airlines, airports, and the airline's ground operations. For easy installation and seamless integration, we recommend that United install the sensor on a 737 aircraft. This airplane currently makes up 38% of its fleet and flies the majority of its domestic routes. The data will be easily transmitted down to its data center and ready to use by data analysts to help the airline better forecast its weather and plan plane operations. Some of the risks that may reduce the value of the sensor include not understanding the data, customer service training issues, and decisioning problems. In order to take full advantage of the system, United must be able to handle the large amount of data that it will receive. Its IT systems and networks must quickly aggregate and disseminate the weather data. They must also make sure that they employ people who understand predictive analytics, who will be able to decision effectively and communicate. The customer service training is key. Agents in the website must be able to tell customers frequently and effectively during weather events if their flights are going to be canceled. Flight delay and cancellation decisions are rarely made in isolation. United must coordinate with all players in its ecosystem. The FAA, control towers, regional airlines, and airports all help to decide flight events. This new technology will help United become a stronger player in its ecosystem by becoming a crucial data provider. Through its new capabilities, United will be able to help all players create and add more customer value. The water vapor sensor will make science of weather forecasting more exact by improving decision making and allowing for better information and better access to information. In 2014, delays and cancellation cost the economy over $5 billion. United will see increased customer satisfaction and better employee morale. Fewer delays and cancellations will help to improve the company's bottom line by allowing it to capture more of the $130,000 in average revenue from each flight. Partnering with Spectra Systems will allow United to prepare for any weather event and know whether or not flights should be canceled or delayed. customers will start to enjoy to fly the friendly skies.